How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the Patriot DIY channel. In this video, we're going to be adding the Madjax brush guard to our EZGO TXT. Alright guys, today we're going to be installing this Madjax brush guard bumper to the EZGO TXT. This thing is super heavy duty, guys, and I think it looks awesome. It gives the golf cart a really nice rugged look while also protecting our front end. This is a 2019 EZGO TXT, and your options for brush guards and bumpers for these newer model EZGOs is pretty limited. But I think the Madjax that we have here is perfect. It's not too big and bulky, it's fairly low profile, but it's still rugged enough that it adds that extra cool factor and it protects our front end as well. Now we'll have a link to this bumper in the description below if you want to get it for yourself. They also make brush guards and bumpers for all the other golf cart manufacturers, so make sure you check that out. And I am going to get in here and show you exactly how we installed this. But first, guys, if you haven't done it yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below, hit that notification bell, and give us a thumbs up. All right, guys, this is everything that comes with our Madjax brush guard. First, we have our big center section. This is really heavy duty, and it's got a nice black textured outer coating, and it has this kind of pre-runner bar here at the top. It's really nice looking. Then we have the two tubular wings that go on the side. These are going to mount kind of like this right here. Gives it a more aggressive look, and it wraps around the sides to give some more protection. Then you have the two mounting arms that attach to the frame of your golf cart and all of our mounting hardware. The first thing we need to do is remove the stock plastic bumper. There's just 4 screws to remove this, and once you have it out of the way, it exposes the frame underneath. Now your hardware comes with 4 U-bolts. Those are going to wrap around the frame of the golf cart and then bolt to the bracket on your mounting arms. So you want to fit those into place, then install the mounting arm and bolt it on just hand tight so that you can adjust it later. And you're going to follow that same process for both sides. Then to get those mounting arms exactly where I want them to be, I'm going to temporarily attach that center part of our bumper so that I can raise it up into place before fully tightening those bolts on the mounting arms. Once I have the mounting arms secured, I can go ahead and take that center section back off and attach the tubular wings to the sides of it. Now, those wings are just going to be sandwiched between the bolt and that center section, so you want to hold them in place while you feed those bolts through, then tighten everything down. And that's all there is to it. Your Madjax brush guard is installed, and I think this looks really good. All right, guys, that is it for the Madjax brush guard bumper. And don't forget, guys, if you want to get one of these for yourself, I have a link in the description below. This video is part of our golf cart upgrades and accessories series, so if you haven't seen our other videos, make sure you check that out as well. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.